Loan limit update. You may have heard that the new loan limit for conventional loans is $625. Now, this does not take effect till January 2022, but here at the Mortgage Firm Tampa, we're going to go ahead and do it right now. But did you know you could use this new loan limit for a construction loan or a renovation loan? You heard me right. If you're planning to build, renovate, or expand your home, you can use this no loan limit to your advantage. In the past couple weeks, my team has saved numerous deals for our borrowers with this new increase, and we can do the same for you. My team and I are here to help you qualify for more of a home. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.